Hi everyone, this is Mohammad Mushtaq Ali Mubin, Assistant Professor from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I am here to explain you about the introduction of embedded system. Before seeing what is an embedded system and examples of embedded system, let us know why to study this embedded system. So, our daily life is becoming more and more dependent on embedded systems and digital techniques. Embedded technology are bounded into our daily activities even without our knowledge. Do you know the fact that the refrigerators, washing machines, microwave ovens, air conditioners, televisions, DVD players, and music systems that all we are using in our house are built around embedded systems? You might have traveled in Honda, Toyota, Ford, like four-wheel vehicles. They are all working under the intelligence of embedded systems, where you can see in those vehicles the headlamp controller, engine controllers, ignition control systems, complex airbag systems to protect you in case of severe accidents. So, people experiencing the power of embedded system and enjoying the features of comfort provided by them. Most of us are totally unaware or ignorant of the intelligence and embedded system giving us so much comfort and security. So, embedded systems are almost reliable servants to us. They don't like to reveal their identity and neither they complain about their workloads to their owners or bosses. They are always sitting in a hidden place and are dedicated to their assigned task till their last breath. So, embedded systems are playing a very important and vital roles in our life. So, we start with the definition of embedded system. So, what is an embedded system? An embedded system is an electronic or electromechanical system designed to perform a specific function, or we can call it as it is a combination of both hardware and software. So in the definition, we say that it is an electromechanical system which is designed to perform a particular task. If I say an example of an embedded systems like a washing machine is designed to do a particular task of washing clothes. Likewise, an air conditioner. It is also an embedded system which is designed for controlling the temperature in the room where it is placed. So the hardware and the mechanical components will consist all the physically visible things that are used for input, output, etc. An embedded system will always have a chip. It can be either a microprocessor or a microcontroller that has the software or the code which drives the system. Okay, so now embedded system is a combination of three things: an hardware, a software, and the mechanical components which are used to support the to do a particular task or to do a specific task. Let us see few examples of embedded systems. Let us start with example 1. It is all about washing machine. So washing machine, what is in washing machine from embedded systems point of view? As I said, embedded system consists of three important components, that is hardware, software, and the mechanical components. So we'll study an washing machine with respect to these 3 points. Number one is hardware. Whatever buttons, display unit or the buzzer and the electronic circuit which you see in a washing machine come under this hardware. Coming to the software, it has a chip on the circuit which holds the software and which is important to drive, control and monitor the various operation which you give to a washing machine. Likewise, it consists of many mechanical components internally for washing machine which actually washes the clothes, control the input and output of water. And the total chassis itself is a mechanical component. Hope you are clear with this example. Likewise, let us see one more example of air conditioner. Air conditioner is an example of an embedded system where an air conditioner from an embedded point of view has again three components, that is hardware, a software and the mechanical components. So for an air conditioner, if you see the hardware, it consists of a remote, a display unit, a buzzer, an infrared sensors and electronic circuit. Coming to the software, again this air conditioners also hold a chip in the circuit which consists of a software which drives, controls and monitor the various operations which you give. And the software monitors the external temperature through the sensors and then releases the coolant or suppressor it and suppress the air. Coming to the mechanical components, the internals of an air conditioner like the motor, the chassis, the outlet, etc. all come under this air conditioner with respect to embedded point of view. So hope you are clear with these two examples of washing machine and air conditioner, and I'm expecting that you have got the exact meaning of embedded systems. Thank you. We'll meet again with one more topic in our next video. Thank you all.